Yeah, this new trending right now, man, trending everywhere. If you got pregnant, you just keep dancing, showing the world you got pregnant, like you can do it. I'll tell you something, every pregnancy, every gift of baby and pregnancy is only come from Most High God, you know. You should dance in the house of God, give him glory, not dance to people. Dance to those evil people, evil destroyers. There's a lot of destroyers out there that don't want your happiness. Many have been buried because of what they committed to themselves during them young age and what age and age, you know. So they are not happy seeing you doing all this dancing, twerking, whining, bolo bolo, attitude dance, every kind of dance. Take it easy, baby. Take it easy, pregnant mama. You know, every pregnancy, every gift of child is coming from Most High God. I love children a lot. That's why I have so many kids, because I love kids a lot, man. Yeah, they're my favorite in the whole world, and I love seeing people being happy, you know. But be happy in a private place, you know, about pregnancy only. Yeah, because so many destroyers, devourers is out there looking for who to devour. But it's not your portion. It's not your portion. He that created a coconut have already destined enough water for the coconut to sustain. You know, yeah. It's a thing of joy anyway. So many people dancing. You see Linda Ikeji, all these people, plenty of them, plenty. American have instigated you people to be doing the same thing. Forget the American winch and the African winch are not the same thing. African winch, they fly in the morning, afternoon, night. They fly 24 hours. Season without season, they fly. But because the Lord is our strength, the hand of God is upon you. So all these things are petty demons, you know. But take it easy anyway. Take it easy. We are here. We're going out. We're going for work. We're going to office to do the thing.